అదెవరిది ఆ ఫోటో? అమ్మా!
పేరు కనబడుతున్నారు. కనబడుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు
నీకేమైనా పట్టిందా?
వాయిస్ వినబడుతుందా?
Guys, do one thing. Please unmute yourself. Okay. Are you there? Unmute yourself, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to everyone, guys. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening. Good evening. Sir, everyone mute yourself, right?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to everyone. Good evening. Good evening to everyone.
मी वो क्या होता नहीं मी मैं जाती मैं थोड़ो ना का मैं तुम्हें पीस पीस करो ना मैं आती
आपको बोला ना मैडम, प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ. अरे हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आई टेल यू. ओके, प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ.
ऑलरेडी
Okay, and we'll start our session. So, hi to everyone, guys. Okay, again, we're back. Okay, again, repeating myself. My name is Yakub. Okay, I am a Python full stack trainer. Not only Python, Java, UI also. UI means what? User interface application. Okay, now here we are for Python full stack training. Okay, slowly we'll start our training, guys. Please see yesterday what I did. Again, I'm reminding you small recap our yesterday session. Just what is a programming language and purpose of programming language and what is a software and types of softwares. Okay, and to developing that kind of software, what kind of programming language we are going to using and which language best for to developing those softwares. That concept we saw in our last session. So again, I am repeating here, sir. What is the program? Simple. Program is nothing but a collection of set of instruction. First, what is the first word? What is the program? Program is nothing but a set of instruction. Here, instruction create with four type of statements, sir. Four type of instruction. The first one is variable declaration, value initialization, processing statement, and output statement. The four type of instruction we are writing every time inside the code. The next one, what is the software? What is the software? Next one, sir. What is a software here? Simple thing, software is a collection of programs. Software is a collection of programs, sir. Simple thing here, what is a software? Software is a collection of programs. The second point, what is program? What is a program? Here, program is a set of instruction. Program is a set of instructions. Set of instructions. Just I am coming back, small recap, sir. Set of instructions. Nothing but a program. Program is nothing but a set of instructions. Set of instruction. Then next, by using these programming languages, we are developing the software. That part we completed. Now, sir, I understood what you said, but how to start learning the Python programming language? So even Python also used for to developing software, but how to start learning Python programming language? Programming language, guys. Okay, simple way I am going to explaining you. Okay, from here I will tell you from where we can start, from where we can learn our programming concepts. Okay, one by one we'll see. One by one we'll see our concepts. May I know who is this person raising hands? Tell me what about you, hero? What is your question? Okay, let me finish the session. You can ask the question later, my friend. Okay, anyway. So, programming, how to start programming language. Now, guys, understand simple way. Simple way. Okay, coming to the point, from where we can start. Suppose, guys, understand today I want to learn English. I want to learn English. Now, tell me, sir, how to start learning the English? First, what we required? Alphabets are required. Alphabets. Here, alphabet starting from uppercase A to uppercase Z. Again, small a to small z. And 0 to 9 numeric values are required. And sometime we are going to using plus, minus symbol, multiplication, divisible, modulo. These are the some special symbol. So simply what I am telling, our alphabets are contains, alphabets are contains, okay. Okay, alphabets are contains, these are the words. See, once alphabets are completed, now we complete just now alphabets, sir. Once alphabets are completed, next what we are doing? We are going to framing the words. Framing the words. Okay. Alphabets are individual characters. The next level is nothing but a words. Words. So by using words, just we are going to framing the group of word making group of character. Like, A for apple, like B for ball. Okay, now suppose I want to give the some names to any person, like this Priya, like this Raju. So this is means the group of character is nothing but our words. Next, once words is completed, slowly the combination of words is nothing but a sentences. Next one is what? Sentences we are going to framing. Sentences. Sentences. No, the collection of sentences. The collection of sentences is nothing but a paragraph. Guys, understand. It is nothing but a paragraph. Paragraph. Okay, with that paragraph, finally, we are going to creating one meaningful information or meaningful file. Finally, we are going to creating the file. File is nothing but our end part. Meaningful file. Meaningful file or meaningful information. Meaningful information. And page, anything you can say that, sir. So this is our main end. Okay. But my friends, here one problem is there. Once alphabet is completed, we are going with the words. Okay, the collection of words is nothing but a sentences. But one thing, if you want to frame one meaningful sentences, here we need to follow some rules, sir. The rule is nothing but a grammar. Grammar. So if you follow the grammar, we can frame the proper meaningful sentences here. So this is the procedure we are going to learning here English language. The same format, slowly I am going to learning here Python programming language also. Python programming language, guys. Nothing too new. But guys, here understand. First, I given alphabet. Next, I given words. Next, I given grammar. Next, I given sentences, paragraph, and files. But same words in programming language, I am going to using with another kind of words. Now coming. So in programming language, instead of alphabets, we are calling character set. Character set. Please, okay, don't, okay, character set. Character set, sir. Why you are making?
గోడ కట్టారు
గోడ కట్టి వాడుకున్నాయి ఇది ఒక మోటార్ వేరే కట్టినారు అడవి కట్టినారు అని అంటే కాదు.
Okay. Now I am coming, sir. It is nothing but a character set. The character set contain here same thing, uppercase A to Z and small a to Z and 0 to 9. And here also we can use some space, plus, minus, multiplication, division, dollar symbol, hashing. Okay, these are we are going to using, sir. In English, what we call alphabet, but in program, what we call, these are the character set. Once character set is completed, slowly we are going to using here words, sir. But in programming language, instead of words, here we are going to calling the keywords. Please, very, very important. Here we are calling keywords, sir. But in English, what we call words. But here we are calling keywords. Keywords. But in programming language, these keywords are two types, my friends. The first one is nothing but a predefined keywords. Very, very important predefined keywords. Slowly I am entering into the applications. Our first topic is nothing but a predefined keyword. The second one is nothing but a user-defined keyword. User-defined keyword. First one is which one? Predefined keyword. Second one is user-defined keyword. Then, sir, what is predefined? What is the user-defined? Simple, my friends. While learning our programming language itself given the some keywords. So, which keyword given by programming language itself? Something what we call language defined keyword. Language defined keyword means nothing but a predefined keyword. Programming language itself given some keywords are like if, else, okay, if, else, okay, def, okay, try, except. These all are what we call language based keyword. Simple thing. Okay, programming language given itself some keywords. These all are what we call predefined keywords. The next one is a user defined keywords. Means a user giving some keyword names. Giving some keyword names. Keyword names. These are the user defined keywords. User defined keywords. The first one is what? Predefined keywords. Predefined keywords. Predefined keywords. Second one is what? User defined keywords. So which keyword given by programming language itself? Then what we call? What we call, sir? What we call predefined keyword? Which keyword given by user? Those are the user defined keyword. We'll talk detail. Don't worry about it, sir. The next, by using this keyword, one keyword is nothing but based on this keyword. Now we are going to framing the, okay, in English what we call sentences. But in programming language, instead of sentences, I am taking what? Statements. Please understand. We can call statement or we can call instructions. Already we given, sir, instruction. Understand? No, we given what we call statement, or we can call instruction, or we can call statement. Look here, after, okay, after a word, okay, by using keyword, we are going to framing the statement. Next, the collection of statement is nothing but a program. Understand? How we are going to learning here? Collection of statement is nothing but a program, sir. The collection of program is nothing but a software, my friends. This is our main aim. But one thing, before going to framing the statement, before going to creating the statements here, creating the statements, and here every statement follows some rule, like a grammar, The rule is nothing but in English what we call grammar, but in programming language it is called syntax. Syntax will tell you how statement is going to create in your programming language. So this is the flow we are going to following one by one to learning our programming language, guys. So I hope you up to here clear, everyone. Good. Right, sir. Okay. Now, guys, understand? Okay, up to here clear, everyone? Right. Nice. Now I am coming, sir. This is the flow. Now, sir, actually, what are the basic topics are in our programming language? The first basic topic is nothing but a character set, sir. First topic. Already, okay, even we are learning programming language means what? Here also we are going to using, here also we are going to using alphabets only. Means uppercase, lowercase, these are values. Now, sir, what are the predefined keyword? What are the user defined? We'll talk about one by one. Now, I am coming with a basic topics, means basic of a programming language. The first one is nothing but a keywords, sir. Just I told you already, keywords. The first basic or fundamental of programming language is what? Keywords. The second one is identifiers. Nothing but a user-defined keywords. Second topic. Second basic fundamental topic, identifiers. The third one is variables. Third topic is nothing but a variables. The next fourth one is a operators, very important. And the fifth one is a data types. Data types. First topic is what? Keywords. Second one is identifiers. Third one is variables. Fourth one is operators. Fifth one is data types. And the sixth one is a control statement. Control statements. These are the not only Python, sir. If you take any other programming language, these are the fundamentals. Control statements. The next we are going to focusing on strings concept. Strings concept. And the eighth concept is nothing but a collection data type. Collection data types, sir. So these are the basic and fundamental of any programming language. Not only my Python. Suppose tomorrow you want to start learning, a C programming language, CPP, Java, Python, Go, or any programming language. Every programming language contains these are the basic topics, my friends. Clear, my friend? So these are the very basic fundamental topics. And slowly we'll start one by one from learning keywords, my friends. Okay. So this is what we call, sir, our learning procedure. Okay. Then coming to the point. So before going to starting, okay, now here I am giving basic, okay, basic fundamental, okay, fundamentals in Python. In Python. Okay. The first one is what? First one is what? Keywords, my friends. The second topic is nothing but identifiers. Identifiers. Third one is data types. Fourth one is variables topic. Fifth one is operators. Sixth topic is control statement. Control statements. Seventh topic is strings concept. Strings concept. Eighth topic is collection data type. Collection data types. So these are the very basic and fundamental topics to start learning our programming concepts. Okay. See, you can easily understand one time, my friend. Okay. You are a one-time hero. Okay, some students, okay, they can understand. If you repeat 2 or 3 times, they can easily understand. There is a strategy. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, understand. Okay, everyone not like you, right? Right. These are the basic things, my friends. Now, slowly we'll start one by one. But guys, before talking about this topic, first we need to focus on basic Python functions. Basic Python functions, guys. This is very, very important. Very important. Basic Python function. Once we completed this function topic, slowly we'll go with our main topic, my friends. The first function is nothing but a print. When we start learning, first we need to understand, okay, 3 or 4 functions are there. Okay, these functions are very, very important. The first basic Python function is nothing but a print. Then guys, why print? Suppose I want to print output in my console, in my monitor. Your monitor is nothing but an output screen. In the output, I want to give some output. Then go with what? Print functions, sir. Now I am writing, okay, the print function is used to print output in console, sir. Console. So, okay, console, sir. So simple. It is a output function, sir. It is a output function. Simple thing. Sir, how to print output? Now I am coming some example. Suppose, I want to print a hello world program. First, simply you can write print and here you can hello. Okay. Welcome to Python. Like this, I given small message, guys. Once you write this, automatically, hello, welcome to Python will be displayed.
Online assessment
Understand?
clear.
Mute yourself. Are you crazy? I'm telling you, please. Guys, dark, mute yourself. Okay, right. This is the, hello, welcome to Python. So once you write print, okay, this message can display in our console, sir. Now coming, sir, I want to display some, addition of 2 numbers, sir. Write it, sir. Print, then, 10 plus simple 20 you can write. Automatically, it can be display 30 value. Directly you can display. Okay, print, sir, I want to do multiplication of 2 table or multiplication of 2 number. 10 into 2 I given. Automatically, it can display the 20 value. So what I am telling here, print is nothing but a output function. Output function. Output function. This is the first function you must be remember. Okay, then second function is nothing but a input function, sir. Input function. Suppose for every time we are not going to printing the output. Sometime I want to give the input to the program. Then go with what? Input function. Right? Now, okay, the input, the input, okay, function is input function is used to takes inputs from keyboard at a runtime. 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 at a runtime from the user, sir. At runtime from the user means if you want to provide input to the program, then go with what? Input function. Input function. Then how we can give? Suppose here I am coming some example. Sir, I want to read name. Now then you can declare your variable name. Variable name is name. Variable name is a name, and here name is equal to, then use like this input, and like this, enter your name, sir. Enter your name. So like this we are giving the small message. It will ask you, "Hey, enter your name. Enter your name." What happened when you give like this? Okay, it can display like this, sir. Enter your name at runtime. And here I am giving my name is what? Yakub. If you want to print that name, then use a print like, sir, my name is equal to double quote, comma, then use the name variable. So we'll talk about variable more. Just understand. Okay. Just you must be remember what is the first function here? Print. Print is nothing but a output function. Input is nothing but a input function. Input function, sir. Your name, input of enter your name. Automatically will ask you, "Array, enter your name." I given my name. If you want to print that name, then use print function. Print my name is name, sir. So finally, if you run this code, what happens, sir? Our output look likes. How to like, sir? No, it will ask like this, sir. When you run this code, okay, enter your name. And it can display the output like this. My, okay, name, my name, okay, is equal to, give the like this. Are you understand? So this is what about our very basic level function. First one is print for output, input for our input function. Input function, guys. The next one. Next. The next function is nothing but a third one. Third one is a type function. Type function. Type function. Very, very important. So see why type function means, okay, the use of type, function is to knows data type of given variable values. Variable values. I know you guys are confused. I am coming with clarity. The use of type function is to know data type of a given variable value, sir. Given variable value. Your wish, your wish. Okay, even you are not equal, leave it. Okay, given variable value, sir. The type function used to know data type of given variable value. Then what is the meaning? Guys, understand. Here I am coming very, very important. One word, sir. Python is a dynamic programming language. Okay, we'll back about this one. Dynamic programming language, guys. Dynamic programming language means what? Coming the point. Suppose if you go with other programming language, suppose I am going with Java, or C and CPP. If you declare any value, first I am using the int. Int is nothing but a pure number value. Okay, here I given one variable name is what? Roll number is equal to something called 120 I given. So if you go with Java, C, CPP, if you want to declare, if you want to store one pure number value, every time we are going to giving the int keyword. And int will tell you, oh, this is nothing but a pure number, integer number. But guys, same thing if you declare in a Python programming language, directly you can write int 120, you can write. So in Python, not required to use a int keyword, float keyword, double keyword, string keyword. This kind of things not use before the declaration of variable. And this kind of declaration is what a static typed declaration. Static typed declaration. And this kind of declaration is called dynamic typed declarations. Dynamic typed declaration. Again, I am coming, my friends, first one is nothing but a static typed declaration. And second one is what? A dynamic typed declaration. And what is dynamic typed? My friends, here before this is what variable name and it is a value. But to define the value, I am not going to using any keyword. If you use the keyword, it is what static typed declaration. But Python is a dynamic typed means, okay, or just you can use variable name and value. Runtime PVM can decide which value is what type. Here manually we know, array 120 is nothing but a roll number. Happy, my friends. But array, I want to know the programmatically. Then what happened? Then use a type of roll number. You can use it. Simple. Automatically, Python virtual machine can return class is int sir. Means it is a integer type. It is a integer type, sir. Integer type. So we are going to know type of data type into given variable value. Then go with what? Type function. This is also very, very important point. Very, very powerful point, sir. So that's why I given our fourth function. Means what? Third function, type function. Suppose, I am declaring your name. So name is nothing but a variable. And here I given my name is what? Yakub, sir. Understand? Manually we know. A group of characters is nothing but a string. But I want to know the programmatically. Then what happened? Then use a type of name. Once you write type of name, it will return you class and a single quote string. Like this, it can be written back you. So simply, if you want to know the data type of a given variable value, data type of a given variable value, data type of a given variable value, then go with what? Type function, sir. Type function. The next one, the last function, my friends, very, very important. Fourth one is nothing but a ID. So when you start learning Python programming language, you must know these four functions. Every time we are going to using the four functions, sir. Then why fourth function? Simple thing to know the address of the variable. Address of the variable value. Variable value, sir. Suppose I am taking one example I will take. I am coming with you, sir. So Mahesh is there. He's one of my student. He's going to he's on online, sir. Now I want Mahesh is nothing but a value. But Mahesh address is where, sir? Mahesh from which area? He has a one address. Suppose he is from Vizag. Yes or no? He is from Vizag. So I know the value. I know the value. Okay, but value where it is where it will be stored. Every value having a one unique location. If you want to know the location of the particular value, then go with what? ID. Simple thing, know the address of the variable. Suppose I am coming, sir, name. The name is nothing but here I given the Vasu. Sir, I want to know the address of the Vasu. Simple, you can use the ID of name, you can use it. Automatically, it can return some number format, sir. Now, your Vasu value is going to stored in your memory in this location. Randomly, it can be generated. It's not fixed, my friends. Example purpose I given. Suppose, here I am giving one more variable, sir. Roll number is equal to 120 I given. Sir, I want to know address of one roll number. Then use ID of, simply you can use the roll number value. Again, it can return, this is the symbol, sir. Right? So these are the four functions are very, very important before going to learning our Python programming language. Clear my point up to here? Need a response, sir? Sir, if you are going to following me, please say yes or no. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. These are the very basic level functions, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, your response. Okay. Finally, sir. Okay. Here we have a 4 functions. The first one
Excuse me,
is,
sir.
yes, yes. Print. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, you can ask me. Input.
అవర్స్ కంటే ఎక్కువ చేస్తున్నారు
Sir, we can also use that
చిక్కు రూమ్ లో
location.
ఆపోజిట్ లో
Hello.
Which one?
We can also use the pointer, right? Inside
Ah,
of.
yes, good, good. Okay, your intent highlight, Nana. That is what pointers concept in where C programming language, right?
Yes, yes.
Instead of pointer, suppose you are going to using pointer means what? That is not a security, yes or no? But Python is nothing but a full secure programming language, right? That's why instead of pointer concept, okay, they given one function. What is the function here? ID function they given. Clear my point? Pointer what will do? It can point the address of given value, right? In
Yes.
C programming language. But pointers concept not supported by Python
Python.
programming language. Instead of pointer, they given the ID.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Right. This is what our 4 function, my friends. Okay? Okay, I'll send you this one. Don't worry about it. And remember, these are the 4 function. Guys, first one is a print, second one is a type, third one is ID, and fourth one is input function. So you must be remember this 4 function, and tomorrow onwards, every day we are going to using in your programming language while developing your application, while writing your program. Okay, up to here, good sir. But sir, directly you started from functions, sir. Actually, what is Python? Why Python? What are the features of Python? Okay, sir, you are not yet started. Why, sir? Okay, now I am entering to the Python, sir. Just I am giving the Python introduction, sir. Python introduction I am giving from here onwards. Okay, but don't forget my 4 functions. So after introduction, okay, when we start writing the code, when you start developing application, those functions are very, very important. Please, someone, please unmute friend Itachi. Okay, please. Okay, please mute yourself. Okay, Python introduction, sir. Then, what is Python? First, sir. Okay, what is a Python? Simple thing, sir. Here I am writing. Python is a open source. Guys, very, very important. Open source, high level. Okay, high level and dynamic and object oriented programming language. Guys, at a time I am writing very, very important. What is the Python? Python is a open source, high level, dynamic and object oriented programming language. Then what is open source? Means tomorrow we are developing one software by using Python programming language. You given so many course, but a Python product not belongs to you. Someone is developed, right? And he has a copyright. Yes or no? But after developing, if you when you are going to publishing your program, okay, the person, okay, definitely put a case on you also. Okay, because of copyright belongs to, okay, who is the person, sir? Gudo Van Rossum. But no, after development Python programming language, and the person, okay, the person given to you, open source, open to read, okay, everywhere, anywhere you can use it. No, okay, he won't give any objection to you. free to use, free to learn our Python programming language. That word is what? Open source. The next one, high level, means most of the instruction, most of the Python code we are going to writing by using English. High level. Dynamic means Python can take runtime memory.
అక్క ఆ పిల్ల
శ్రీకాంత ఎవరు? ధనుష. అరే వై మెనీ టైమ్ ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్, అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. టైం పాస్కి అయితే రాకండి అన్న. ఓకే, నేను ఒకటి చెప్తున్నాను సార్. ఐఎమ్ పుట్టింగ్ మై కంప్లీట్ ఎనర్జీ ఆన్ దీస్ టాపిక్స్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ టేకింగ్ ఫర్ టైం పాస్ పర్పస్. I will give my best 100%, not 2000%, sir. And listen, and if you get confused, ask me. I'll repeat 1000 times also. Okay? And parallelly, don't do more than 2 or 3 works, right? Focus on here. Coming, Mahendra. Okay, one by one we'll see. Okay, coming. I'll give that answer last. Arey, please don't use this dashboard, sir. Okay, who are doing this one? Please erase this and everything. Why? Why? Erase it, everyone. Where is the tool here? Right. The first one is what? Dynamic means what? It can take the runtime memory. The next one, object-oriented programming language. Means in Python, everything is objects, sir. We are going to mapping our application with real-time objects. Real-time objects. The next one, very, very important. Python is a general purpose programming language. Purpose programming language. Very, very important point. And what is a general purpose? Means by using Python, we can develop any kind of softwares. All type of software. Means by using Python, we can develop application softwares, system softwares, data science software, okay, artificial intelligence of softwares, and testing to software. Any kind of softwares we can develop. But if you go with Java for only application, my friend. C and CPP only for system softwares, but Python is a system software and application software also. That's why Python is a general purpose programming language. Very, very important. Then actually, who developed the Python? Very, very important point. Python developed by, he is the person, sir, Gudo, Gudo, okay, Gudo one. Okay, Roshum. Okay, this is the person, sir. Gudo van Roshum. He is the scientist. Gudo van Roshum. Actually, guys, actually, the development started in the year of 1986. Actually, Gudo van Roshum. Okay, development started in 1986, sir. 1986. But officially, okay, officially came into the market in 1991, sir. Observe here, sir. Already Java is there. Then again, why is Python? Guys, Java is not a first programming language. Python is a first. Python came into the market in 1995. Sorry, Java came into the market in the year of 1995, but Python came into the market 1995. But why nowadays, Java is very famous? Because of, Java syntaxes similar to and C and CPP. Similar to C and CPP. So that, Java is very famous. But, once they started developing machine learning, data science application, at that time, slowly Python is going to become very popular. Nowadays, sir, compare with Java, Python is very popular because of most of the industry nowadays to developing their data analytics topics, data analytics softwares, machine learning software. Okay, we are going to using Python only with less lines of code. Right? The next one, sir. Sir, how Python is developed? Actually, sir, Python is not a single programming language. Python is a combination of very, very important, but combination of C++, understand, sir? C++, Java, Perl, Perl, and Java scripting, and modular three programming language. We can say that PHP also, sir. You can say that PHP also programming language. So Java syntax look like a C programming language, C++, Java, Perl. Okay, Java scripting, modular three programming language. That's why That's why Python is a function-oriented, object-oriented programming language, sir. Not only one. Python is a function-based, Python is a object-oriented, Python is a object-based also. That's why nowadays Python is very, very famous, sir. This is the story about our Python programming language. Sir, understand. Okay, what is the Python? Who developed the Python? And simple, sir. But why Python, sir? Why Python? Yesterday I already told you, sir. Simple thing. Python is a programming language. When you say programming language, our main motto is what? Simple. Developing applications. Developing applications or developing software, sir. Simple story. Okay, developing softwares. You are learning. You are learning this programming language. Purpose is what? Tomorrow you guys are developing the softwares. But what kind of softwares we are developing by using Python programming language? Here I am coming. The first one is nothing but a standalone software or standalone applications. Standalone application. Then what is a standalone? Simple, my friends. This is nothing but a notepad. This notepad using in my machine only, sir. While I am going to using this notepad in my PC, at the same time you guys are not use. Means okay, this notepad used by only one user at once. One user at once, sir. One user what? One, sir. Then what we call standalone. Simple thing. Simple things are here I am showing. Because here Calci, Calci. Calci is the best example. Example is a standalone application. Guys, now I am going to using calculator application here. This calculator application using by me only, not you. Yes or no? While I am giving instruction, at the same time, you can't give the instruction, sir. Means this application takes a instruction at once. This is what a standalone application. Simple thing. Here I am giving which application, okay, run in single PC. What we call single PC means what? Computer. And it allows, sir, very, very important. It allows single user instruction. Instruction is called a standalone application. Simple thing, calculator, MS Paint, MS Word, MS Excel. These are the best example for standalone. This kind of software also we are developing with Python. The next one, very, very powerful, web applications. Web application, simple thing. Okay, which application run in browser? Run in a browser, sir. Run in browser. These all are the web-based application. Example, Facebook.com or Meta, Amazon.com, Amazon.com or bookmyshow.com, bookmyshow.com. These are the best example for web-based application. The third one, okay, third one, sir, machine learning. Okay, data analytics, and plus, okay, machine learning application. Machine learning applications. Machine learning application. These are very, very important. And to developing this application, here we can use a NumPy. Okay, NumPy, pandas, pandas, SciPy. The next matplotlib. Okay, like this we have a so many libraries are there to developing data analytics, machine learning with AI also. The fourth one, okay, for system softwares like operating systems are, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, like Mac OS. Okay, these all are also we can develop with our Python programming language. The next, sir, fifth one, system softwares. Means, what we call application, external software. Null means external softwares, nothing but, testing tool applications, and database applications. These are also we can develop by using Python. So this point is very, very important. My friends, listen carefully. Python for, okay, standalone application, Python for web application, Python for data analytics, machine learning, and with AI also I'm going to say artificial intelligence. The next ones are system software, external software. So this many types of softwares we are developing with Python, guys. The next one. Clear? So this is the, okay, why introduction of Python, and next, what is the purpose of Python, guys? Clear? So please, main thing. And next, tomorrow we'll see something features of features of features of Python, and slowly we'll start our basic fundamentals, sir. Means how to download, how to install Python, where we can it will by one we'll see. Okay, one by one we'll see, sir. Okay, and if you have any queries regarding today's session, you can ask me one by one. Now this is your time. Okay, now unmute yourself. You can ask me, guys.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
Wait, give me 1 minute, my dost. Okay. నువ్వు బాగానే ఉన్నావమ్మా, అది బంద్ చేసేయి. ఓకేనా? ఎందుకు? ఆ? అవసరమా? నువ్వు కూడా బాగానే ఉన్నావు. స్టూపిడిటీ, క్రేజీ గాయస్. రైట్, sir. Okay, sir. Now you can ask the question one by one.